The United States has approved a radar upgrade program for Pakistan's fleet of F-16 fighter jets, which Pakistan claims is a significant enhancement to its air combat capabilities. Iran launched a drone strike that triggered a fire at the petroleum industries zone in the UAE, leaving 3 Indian nationals injured. Bharat Electronics Limited, Metamind Systems and Kristellar Aerospace have signed a tripartite MOU to co-develop future-ready defense technologies. Mahindra has unveiled a new ATV derived from the Thar rocks, inheriting its rugged chassis and off-road geometry, ensuring strong versatility across diverse terrains. Indian Army Chief visited the NOTAM Symposium, where he was briefed on a range of indigenous defense technologies by industry partners. After Japan's offer of Mogami-class stealth frigates to India, South Korea's Hyundai Heavy Industries has offered its 6,500-ton HD-6000 stealth frigate, that is designed as a mini-destroyer, featuring modern stealth shaping, 48 vertical launch system and advanced combat systems. Lucknow-based Hoveret's 2,000 km strike range Divyastra Mk2 loitering munition has completed a vehicle-based launch, marking steady progress in its development. The next milestone is rocket-assisted takeoff, enabling operations without runways and improving deployment flexibility. India has issued a NOTAM warning for the period between 6th May to 9th May, establishing a no-fly zone extending up to 3,560 kilometers into the Bay of Bengal, indicating preparations for a strategic long-range test, potentially involving the 10,000 kilometers Dhwani Hypersonic glide vehicle or the 8,000 kilometers MIRV-capable Agni-5 MK2 new generation intercontinental ballistic missile. India and Armenia held discussions on integrating the 160 km range Astra Mk2 air-to-air missile onto the Armenian Su-30SM fighter jets, as its legacy 80 km range Russian R-77 missiles have become a limitation, as its rival Azerbaijan has deployed JF-17 fighters armed with Chinese 145 km range PL-15E missiles. Armenia is also interested in the 220 km range Astra Mk2, which is currently under development. The Indo-Russian Mk8-capable 1,500 km range BrahMos-II hypersonic missile program has slowed due to high costs, limited technology transfer, and rising scramjet expenses, making large-scale deployment impractical. The BrahMos-II program is facing delays beyond 2027, so in response, the DRDO is accelerating indigenous efforts under Project Vishnu, focusing on cost-efficient scalable designs with scramjet propulsion, marking a move towards self-reliant and operationally sustainable deep strike capability. The DRDO chief has said, India will use ballistic missiles for conventional tactical roles, not just nuclear deterrence. India will induct conventionally armed ballistic missiles into its integrated rocket force like Agni-5 with ranges up to 2,000 kilometers, enabling deep precision strikes on air bases, logistics hubs and command centers. At the tactical level, the 500 kilometers range Pralay missile is nearing induction, offering high-speed maneuverable strikes with strong survivability against air defense systems. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.